Let me introduce you to advanced search with 3 practical examples. As RTEs, or also STEs, we want to see at a glance which dependencies are not yet resolved. So we open the search and look for all sticky nodes of the sticky type dependency, and additionally for all red flags. Immediately we see all dependencies in the list. With our up and down arrow keys, we can now navigate through the search results, and with the return key, we can navigate to the corresponding board and display the sticky note. We often see customers using the stickers in various forms. One that I always find super awesome is when the colors are assigned to different roles. Let's say orange is the RTE, yellow is the product owner, and blue is the system architect. If the teams have a question about a story for the system architect, they can just put a blue question mark on it. The system architect can now search for this question mark and see in the list which items the teams have questions for. Nothing gets lost anymore. A third use case is aimed more at PI execution, specifically on the Scrum of Scrums event. Often we see customers creating a new sticky type on the program board called Agenda after the PI planning event, which is very intelligent. Agenda sticky notes are not synchronized with an ALM tool and are used so that whenever an impediment arises, the Scrum Masters can already capture it in a meaningful place. The best place is directly at the corresponding feature, the milestone, or the dependency. So when we start our Scrum of Scrum session, we can easily filter the board by the sticky type. That's the agenda we follow now. Now we set the time box to 30 minutes and the super productive SOS session can begin. PI Planning IO is known for being very easy to use because it is oriented towards the physical world with physical sticky notes. The search in PI Planning IO is one of those functionalities that makes switching back to 100% physical boards extremely unpleasant. Do you know the feeling? Like when you accidentally break a drinking glass in real life, not in the metaverse, and you want to undo it with Command Z. I have exactly the same feeling when I'm standing in front of a physical board and looking for a specific sticky note. I would love to press Command F and simply search. In PI Planning IO, this is possible, and at the same time, we have the super powerful visualization. So go to piplanning.io.